It's Music Therapy Labs here on YouTube doing my VEDA, and I'm about to walk into the Danville music store here where shortly I'll be meeting my niece Becca. She works out at Fitness 19 right down on the strip mall here, and I called Nathan inside the store. He said it would be cool to do a video inside, so I'm going to do a quick little video of this awesome mom and pop store that gets... You're not on camera, Becca, don't worry, I'm doing myself. So they said it'd be cool, but it might be rather busy in here, but I said, I'm just gonna do a 5-minute quick VEDA video vlog thing. So here's the place. They carry Taylor guitars, all kinds of cool stuff. Last time I was here, I saw they had a Cutlass, Musicman Cutlass, and some J&Ls and some PRSs. So. And they're playing some cool music in here as well. So I'm going to turn the camera this direction so you're not in the shot. Ukuleles. I love ukuleles. I have a ukulele. Actually, I bought it for Becca's brother Nick, who ended up not playing it very much. Oh wow, look at that. That is nice. Anyway, they've got some killer guitars here. We'll just do a real quick sweep over here. You Nathan? Yeah, I think that's Nathan. Were you Nathan?
Yeah, you Laszlo?
Yeah, Laszlo.
Hey, good to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you. I'm already
right
doing
now
the video.
It's totally not busy. So.
Perfect. Yeah. Do you mind being on camera? Do you want to be on camera? Do you want to be? Yes or no? You can say no. You don't have to be.
I'm shy.
No, okay, that's cool. No, I'll keep you off. That's why I ask, you know. Wow, there's some cool guitars up here. Look at that. Yeah, that thing is crazy. I'm vlogging. I'm doing VEDA. You know about VEDA? Vlog every day in August or April. It's a YouTube thing.
Oh, okay, cool.
So yeah, I'm doing one every day, so I have to come up with ideas. So this is one of them.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Right on. So look at that. No, we're good. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
That is a nice SE right there. Look at that. It's got some switches there that I'm sure are gonna switch, you know, single coil to. And this has got the brass screws there. Sweet. Nice. Real abalone too, man. That is bitchin'. And there's this would be one of those lefty alert notices on Guitar Shirt Saturdays. In the blues. That dude is awesome, Sean. Sean, did I say Sean? Shane. I'm missing Metal Shane though, Shane, so if you can bring back Metal Shane, I'll be happy. That's sweet. Look at that 245 right there. Oh, that's really cool. I like that. It's almost like a light white blue daiquiri kind of color. Nice. Wow. Look at that. All right. These are these like mirrors, I believe, right? Oh, and here's that Musicman I was talking about. The Stingray. I thought this is okay. So. Yeah. Oh, I dig this. This is a nice Jazzmaster kind of a P90 thingy going on here. Thin line type of style right there. So anyway, yeah. So Danville Music, this is a great store. You guys gotta come check out mom and pop shops like this and stop buying stuff online, right? Nathan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Support the local store.
Support the local store. Warwick Bases? Nice, dude. Is that what that is?
Mm-hmm.
Guessing. Yeah.
Yep.
Look at that. They got the real shiznit over here.
You don't have to ask the person at the counter to see
Exactly.
what else they've got.
And you know I love Schecters, and you know I love the Super Shredders. I got the white one with the Sustainiac in the neck.
What the store has.
Oh, look at that. That looks like a really nice looking EVH style Musicman up there. I like that color too. Look at that. Oh. Got some other Majestics over here. Look at that. Nice. I like that one that's got the plain maple in it. And what is that? That is nice. Oh, nice. That one's just blowing me away too. That was cool. Okay, and then we're gonna go take a quick look at some amplifiers as well, but we'll do a sweep of the store here. They carry orange, they carry line 6, Dean Markley. These must be used. Look at that. That's a nice little parlor guitar right there. Yes. Taylor's. Yeah, I'm gonna do those next. And we got some other really nice acoustics over here. Look at that PRS acoustic right there. And surprisingly in tune. How about that? Isn't that a nice surprise when you walk into a guitar store and strum a guitar and it's in tune? Look at all these killer Taylors. Wow. Man, I'm gonna be coming back here with some money. I'm blocking. I don't want to put anyone on here that looks like a silver sky. Okay. Oh, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 silver skies. How often do you see that? And I like the black one. It's got that sparkle black. It's really an interesting array. Oh, look at that. Violins even and trumpets and stuff. And look at that mini ukulele. And they got picks. Look at all the picks. I might have to buy some picks. I have so many picks. We got Taylor, Dunlop, Slow, drumsticks, mallets. Those are called mallets. I love this Villa. Look at that. Oh man, I'm gonna pick this one up.
Yeah.
Not right now.
Plus, you know that little type of warbling thing I do with my hands like this?
The warbling thing, yeah.
Sometimes that can actually really be useful on a keyboard or something.
That actually on a guitar you'll create what's called vibrato by doing that. Yeah.
No, I'm just saying if I were doing that on the keyboard, it would make one of those like weird key sounds, right?
Probably. Yeah. Oh, that's interesting.
And that's like a nervous tick.
That's an interesting
in that situation
thing.
have. Right?
Yeah. I guess so. Ooh, look at this. It's $5,000 one. This is nice. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Awesome cap on there. You can see that it's a cap all the way through, not a binding. By the grain obviously continues.
And also something that
I like that one.
And lots, it's also something people that are drummers can also use. See?
Yeah. Wow, look at this. This one's got super strat kind of pickup selection set up there. Is this the one that the artist package? What is this? $5,500 guitar. It's the 509 pickups in there with a tiger red smoke warp burst. It's like a dragon fire burst. That's what I would call it. Nice. Anyway, well, I gotta sign off for now because I gotta pick up one of these guitars.
Hey, you had me in the camera.
You were right behind. Why were you behind? Yeah, I can't stop. I'm not starting the video over again. Shouldn't have been there.
Hey, I did not expect you to turn the camera
Anyway,
around.
okay, I'm gonna turn it like this. I'm gonna pick this puppy up right here and play it because that looks like fun. All right, Music Therapy Labs out. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Do all those things on my channel, please. I'm trying to grow this thing to 100, so then I'll have to buy a professional camera, that Zoom one that Pete Thorne was talking about. Anyway, hope you liked this little mom and pop shop, the mom and pops vlog, and do it, man. Don't just pretend. Do it. I bought something here last time. I'm gonna buy something again. Maybe that.
Practice pads.
All right, maybe not today, but anyway. See you guys.